कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Namaste. Today's mudra is one of a series of mudras for connecting with the divine. The mudra is Chinmay Mudra, which is to be performed simultaneously with both the hands. Meditation postures like Padmasana, Vajrasana are ideal for this mudra. But if it's not possible for you to sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana, then you may practice this mudra by sitting with your legs crossed, or you may also perform it by sitting on a chair. Sit comfortably and relaxed. Keep your back straight. For performing this mudra, curl the little finger, ring finger, and middle finger of both the hands inwards like this, towards the palm. Then let the tip of the index finger touch the tip of the thumb so as to form the shape of a ring like this, to form a ring shape. So this is your Chinmay Mudra. Now place both the hands on the thighs with the palms facing upward, or you may keep the palms facing downward. Now gently close your eyes. Take 2 to 3 long breaths. Let the breathing slow down. Gradually quieten the mind and sit undisturbed in this posture for 5 to 10 minutes. The Chinmay Mudra helps us in the path towards attaining a state of, that is a supreme state of awareness. Therefore, this gesture is also referred to as gesture of awareness. This is the state when a being connects with the inner self. Usually, our awareness is scattered in the outer world through the 5 senses. The Chinmay Mudra acts as a rejuvenating mudra that brings the outer awareness back inside us, or the outward flow of awareness back inside us. The mudra represents our connection with the Supreme Soul. The Chinmay Mudra promotes physical as well as mental well-being. This mudra controls the flow of energy in the thoracic region and strengthens it. It prevents memory loss. The Chinmay Mudra connects the flow of energy to the nervous system. This improves the functioning of the nervous system and helps in digestion of food. This is because the nervous system controls the major functions of the digestive system. The Chinmay Mudra also helps cure insomnia or sleep disorders. We all know that stress, tension, depression, anxiety are mainly responsible for sleep disorders. These are symptoms of a disturbed mind. And the reason behind this is scattered awareness. The practice of this mudra helps to prevent the scatter of our awareness to the outer world. And Thus, it is helpful in calming the body and the mind. Thus, the regular practice of this Chinmay Mudra cures sleep disorders. That's all for today. See you next week with another mudra for connecting with the divine. In the meanwhile, subscribe to this channel, like it, and share it. Thank you.